A mini oatmeal chocolate chip skillet cookie is the ultimate decadent dessert. Enjoy this giant cookie straight out of the mini skillet, topped with ice cream or whipped cream, or slice it and serve it like pie or cake. It is amazing. Hi, I'm Joni from OneDishKitchen.com, your #1 source for single serving recipes. Let me show you how to make it. Heat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Generously butter a 6.5 inch cast iron skillet or a 5 by 5 inch baking dish and set it aside. In a medium-sized bowl, cream together 3 tablespoons of salted butter that you've melted, 4 tablespoons of brown sugar, and 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar until well blended. Beat in 1 large egg yolk and 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. In a separate small bowl, mix together 1/3 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup of old-fashioned oats, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/4 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Pour the flour mixture into the butter-sugar mixture and mix until combined. Gently stir in 1/4 cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips. Press the cookie dough into the skillet and bake for 15 to 18 minutes or until the top of the cookie looks barely golden. Do not overbake it. The cookie will continue to cook in the hot skillet when you take it out of the oven. Now you can eat it right out of the skillet, adding some ice cream or whipped cream if you'd like, or let the cookie cool for at least 10 minutes before cutting it. My favorite way is eating it right out of the skillet. It is so good. Be sure to check out these great videos and click below to like and subscribe. And please visit OneDishKitchen.com where we have hundreds of single serving recipes. At One Dish Kitchen, cooking for one is all we do. Bye for now.